Turning trash into profit. Most operations produce MRO waste that has a recovery value. Sometimes it takes some imagination or resourcefulness to find these hidden assets and convert them into profit or cost reductions. For instance, what happens to all those broken, damaged, or worn mechanics hand tools that you spend so much to replace each year? Virtually all of the major manufacturers offer a lifetime warranty. Why not accumulate them in a container and turn them in for credit once or twice a year? Here are other examples. Many industries, from electric wire and cable to steel coil processing, use specialized and costly cores, spools, or spindles. Recovering this from the customer saves him the inconvenience and cost of disposal and may earn the customer a bounty. A steel coil processor bought 4,000 cores per year at an average price of $12. For every core returned to the steel company from its customer, a $4 credit was given. Since the cores were reusable, the cost was reduced by 67%. There was no additional freight cost because the steel processor's trucks were delivering to the customer plants anyway. The same steel company was buying expensive, customer-specified pallets ranging in cost from $30 to $150. A similar customer return program was instituted, with the customer receiving a $10 credit for each pallet accumulated for return. The pallets were inspected, if necessary given moderate repairs at a local pallet yard for a $15 fixed charge, and then returned to inventory. Pallet use went from single use to an average of 5 cycles before discard. Pallet costs were cut almost in half, from an average cost of $50 times 5 purchase, or $250, to $50 plus 4, or $25 recovery cost, or $150. Another example is the Air Products processor mentioned previously. All kilns in the 11 plants were operated with thermocouples, which were discarded and replaced when degraded. An OEM, original equipment manufacturer part supplier, was asked to reduce the substantial cost for replacement thermocouples. The vendor negotiated a credit for $1,200 per ounce for the precious metals, platinum and rhodium, contained in the spent units returned to the OEM. A leading manufacturer of jet aircraft engines bought a large volume of expensive carbide cutting tools for machining high alloy metals. These tools range in price from less than $25 to several $100, averaging about $85. Due to close tolerance and hard materials, tools had to be replaced frequently. The manufacturer asked its primary tooling supplier to develop a program to recover the value in its discarded tools. The supplier purchased a CNC tool grinder and a related equipment, hired an experienced toolmaker, developed a PC-based tool registry and control system, and adopted the engine's maker inspection standards. By regrinding or resharpening the tools, average tool life was extended to an average of 5 cycles, the original use, and 4 regrinds. The resharpened tools, including labor, overhead, machine amortizations, and supplier profit, cost 45% of the new tool cost. In 3 years, the engine maker saved over $1 million from the program.